Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. If you are preparing to take the Praxis Social Studies test, World History 5081, then let's review some of the types of questions you will encounter on the exam. Which of the following languages did the ancient Romans speak? A. Italian, B. Latin, C. Nubian, or D. Phoenician? Let's look at each of them in detail. Italian is a modern language and an official language in Italy, Switzerland, and San Marino. It is possibly the closest of the modern languages to Latin. Latin. Through the expansion of the Roman Empire, it became the dominant language in the Italian peninsula and is still the official language of the Holy See. Nubian, according to a 1977 statistic, is spoken in Egypt and Sudan. Old Nubian was written in a variety of the Coptic alphabet. Finally, Phoenician. This is an extinct Semitic language. With the dominance of the Phoenicians in the Mediterranean during the Iron Age, it became the lingua franca of the entire region, with the alphabet spreading to Greece, where it became the source for all modern European writing systems. So the answer here is Latin. Who is credited with uniting the ancestors of the modern-day French? A. Clovis, B. Marie Antoinette, C. Napoleon, D. Joan of Arc. I'm going to work backwards here. Joan of Arc is a national hero in France. She led the French army to victory against the English in 1429 during the 100 Years' War. Napoleon, our little friend from Corsica, managed to bring modernized reforms to France, and he was responsible for the sale of Louisiana to the United States. Marie Antoinette was the last queen of France before the French Revolution, during which she famously lost her head. And Clovis. He was the first Frankish king to unite all the tribes, and by all accounts the founder of the Merovingian dynasty that ruled for 200 years in what would become modern-day France. So the answer is A. Which of the following was the first battle between the Cavaliers and the Roundheads, starting the English Civil War that lasted from 1642 to 1649? First, I want to start with the Cavaliers were also known as the Royalists, and the Roundheads were also known as the Parliamentarians. All right, possible answers. A, the Battle of Naseby. B, the Battle of Edgehill. C, the Battle of Newbury, or D, the Battle of Marston Moor. So the Battle of Naseby was in Northamptonshire in 1645, and the Royalists were defeated. The Battle of Edgehill was in Warwickshire in 1642, and this was the first battle of the war. It ended with both sides retreating. The Battle of Newbury was in Berkshire in 1643. Both sides disengaged, but it was a turning point in the war as the Scottish Covenanters joined forces with the Roundheads, which ultimately led to victory for the Parliamentarians. And D, the Battle of Marston Moor was in Yorkshire in 1644. The Covenanters and the Roundheads routed the Royalists. So the first battle of the war was the Battle of Edgehill, B. The Crimean War resulted from which country's demand to defend and protect the Orthodox Christian subjects of the Ottoman Sultan? A, Egypt, B, Persia, C, Great Britain and France, or D, Russia? Egypt did participate, and they fought against the Russians. The Persians had no part in the conflict. Great Britain and France entered the war after Russia's invasion of Moldavia and Wallachia, as they wanted to aid the Ottomans who were struggling to resist Russian expansion in the Near East. Russia, the catalyst for the Crimean War, was the Russian invasion of Turkish Danubia. So the answer is D, Russia. I hope I was able to answer your questions so that you can get a better understanding of the topics you can expect to find on the test. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.